Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel, Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now, I want to give the assignment solutions for the course of Data Analytics with the Python. This is the course name, that is Data Analytics with Python, and week 4 assignment solutions. Okay, so let us start from question number 1 onwards. So in the question number 1, the hypothesis testing, if the null hypothesis rejected, the alternate hypothesis will be true. So answer is the B option. So the second one is the correct answer. And the second one, the level of significance is the maximum allowable probability of type 1 error. This is the B is the correct answer for this. Now coming to the question number 3, when the following hypotheses are being tested at a level of significance of alpha H0 colon mu greater than or equal to 500, HA mu colon mu less than 500. The null hypothesis, hypothesis 0, hypothesis A, these are the hypothesis. The null hypothesis will be rejected if the p-value is less than or equal to alpha. So option A is the correct answer. So now coming to the question number 4, in a two-tailed hypothesis test situation, the test static is determined to be t is equal to minus 2692. The sample size has been 45. The p-value for this test is plus 0.01. So D is the correct answer for this. Now coming to the question number 1, in a lower on tail hypothesis test situation, the p-value is determined by 0.2. If the sample size of this test is 51, then the t static has a value of minus 0.849. Now coming to the question number 6, a machine is designed to fill toothpaste tubes with 5.8 ounce of a toothpaste. The manufacturer does not want any underfilling and overfilling. The correct hypothesis to be tested are H0 colon mu is equal to 5.8, HA dot mu not equals to 5.8. So option B is the correct answer. Coming to the question number 7, the quality control manager at a LI battery factory needs to determine whether the mean life of a large shipment of LI battery is equal to the specified value of 375 hours. The process standard deviation is known to be 100 hours. A random sample of 64 batteries indicates a sample mean life of 350 hours. State the null hypothesis now. So mu greater than or equal to 350. Now coming to the question number 8. The question number 7, at the alpha is equal to 0.05 level of the significance, is there any evidence that the mean life is different from 375 hours? Yes, there is. In question number 7, compute the p-value is 0.0456 is the answer. Option A is the correct answer. And for question number 8, option 1 is the correct answer. And for question number 7, option 4 is the correct answer. Now coming to the question number 9. In question 7, compute the p-value is, that is 0.0456. So option A is the correct answer. Now coming to the question number 10. In question number 7, at 95% confidence interval, estimate of the population mean life of the battery is 325.5 to 374.5. So option B is the correct answer. Once again, we see from the starting onwards all the answers at a glance. Number 1, in hypothesis testing, if the null hypothesis is rejected, the alternative hypothesis will be the true. The level of significance is the maximum allowable probability of the type 1 error when the following hypotheses are being tested at a level of significance of alpha, that is less than or equal to alpha. In a two-tailed hypothesis test situation, the test static is determined to be t is equal to minus 2692. The sample size has been 45. The p-value for this test is 0.0 plus 0.01. And for question number 5, the answer is minus 0.849. Question number 6, the answer is option is B. Question number 7, it is D. Question number 8, it is A. Question number 9, it is A. Question number 10, it is B. So these are the answers as per my knowledge I have given for the course Data Analytics and Python for the week 4 assignment. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you one and all.